Bonjour and welcome to Sézane's new winter collection. That is the topic of today's video, and here's the evidence. This huge box arrived with lots of items. I did some shopping as shown by the size of this box. I'm sure that you will also love all the pieces. By the end of today's video, you will have a deep knowledge about all these pieces, so all the details about fabric composition, cut, colors, how they fit, how they look, how they feel, because we all know that the pictures of the site doesn't always translate to how the pieces are going to be in reality. So let's begin. So this is the Aria shirt. It is made in a poplin organic cotton. It is not see-through, not transparent, so it has a nice structure, really beautiful fabric. It is in a cream color, a crew color, which I also rather prefer. It has beautiful mother of pearl buttons. This is size 40. It has a dropped armhole, as you are seeing. So this is this kind of shirt that will emphasize your V silhouette, so make it more kind of feminine silhouette. It increases the shoulder area with a small waist with these seams that kind of contour your silhouette, and also at the middle of the back it has also these seams. And I wanted a shirt like that, longer, tight at the same time, with special details like this one, specifically to layer under these kind of wool vests. So this is the Samuel vest. I have it already in gray. I went for size L, large, because I think size medium was already sold out. But let me just grab my gray one. So this is size medium in gray from last year, and this is vanilla in large from this collection. Let me just kind of compare the two sizes. The gray one is slightly wider than the new ones. Size medium from last year and size large from this year. Another thing that I notice is that last year the knit is thinner, and this year the Samuel has a more substantial knit, so it's thicker. And of course, it's also very cloudy, very soft. It is made in baby alpaca, wool, and also 30% of polyamide. I just love this kind of vests to layer undercoats without having the bulk of the sleeves. So I find them so perfect. I think the Joseph necklace would look amazing in this outfit. Let me just try. I love this necklace, love this large kind of metal pendant. It's just so beautiful. So it's gold plated with real gold, and it lasts forever. I have this ring for an year. I have more jewelry from them for more than 3 years, and they are perfect. Of course, you have to take care of your pieces. This necklace is beautiful to wear on a special evening with a black shirt, with a black silk shirt, a black top or a black dress, but is also perfect to wear on a daily basis. It kind of brighten up the outfit. It's beautiful. The shirt is also perfect to do this kind of effect that I wanted. One way is styling like that. The shirt showing under the vest. Again, a huge trend this season. I think I might be opening the cuffs, relaxed and cool finishing touches. I think this is a nice outfit. Another way is wearing a belt on top of the vest, but in this case I will be removing the necklace because I think it's too much. This dark chocolate one, or this maybe, or this one that is more on the color of the sweater. Let me try this one. You can Another way would be wearing the shirt inside the trousers. Like that, it's also very beautiful. Love it. Let me just tell you just one more thing. The Tudor boots are from last year and they are amazingly comfortable. If you need a knee-high boot in real leather of high quality, definitely these, the Tudor boots, are just perfect. I'm wearing a pair of mango trousers, the Aria shirt, maybe these. This is more kind of a purple burgundy, and this is more of a maroon burgundy, a warmer burgundy. I also went up 2 sizes, so I'm usually size medium in this kind of vests. I wanted a longer one, so I went for size XXL to kind of be more oversized. I love the colors of the Philly vest. The burgundy, this dark navy, it's kind of more of a purple navy, and then the white also pops out, and also the orange stripe is also really beautiful. So again, this, I think this is the same composition. I don't know, maybe alpaca, wool, and I don't know if it has also polyamide, but I think it has. It's more or less the same design, so a straight design. This is size medium, so, and the difference is really small, a little bit longer. I don't know, but I'm afraid this vest is already sold out on the website. I hope they bring it back because it is just so beautiful. I think it's also a nice outfit. Here I might go for my new Agnes boots. Sorry, boots. These are my new Agnes boots in this chocolate brown. Really beautiful. This is kind of a smooth leather. They are all leather inside and outside, so the same quality as ever from Sézane. I went true to size for these boots as well as for the Tudor. They are both size European 40, which is my usual size. Well, I need to hem these trousers as well. So this shirt is just perfect. I would also wear this shirt for an evening occasion, event, with just a pair of black tailored trousers. So for now, this is also another workwear appropriate outfit. As you are seeing, I also have another Raphael vest in this dark taupe. So instead of a tailored trousers, I went for my new Massimo Dutti trousers, these kind of stirrup or fuseau trousers. They're perfect. They are very versatile also. So the shirt is perfect. Just love this effect that it does here. Very elegant. I went for a gold belt. Just open this part here like that. I'm wearing earrings, but I will be removing these earrings. I think it's too much. I'm only wearing kind of shine lipstick, but a red lip would look really well here. Love the necklace, so versatile. So for my evening outfits, for day wear also, and the shirt, a really nice fit. Well, this is the look that I wanted to do with the Georgia top in silk with the lace detail. I just think these kind of tops are perfect to layer under cardigans. Just love the romantic lace showing up under the cardigan. The contrasting texture, so the chunky and soft cardigan contrasting against the silk and the lace in the top. Just perfect. This is also a huge trend this season, so if you want to embrace this trend, if you like it, it's a way of refreshing your outfits and also look more updated. This cardigan doesn't have buttons, and so I opted to kind of place a pin to kind of secure the cardigan. These are my Theophile trousers that I have for 3 years now. Love them. They are in wool, a very thick, soft, comfortable fabric, washable. I've been wearing them non-stop and they are perfect. To kind of make the outfit less formal, I opted to go for a pair of sneakers. These are the new Adidas Samba in brown and beige. wear instead a belt. Is also a nice idea. I think this is also another idea, another way to kind of secure the cardigan with a belt. Also love this styling. So for this outfit I'm wearing my amber shirt, this is also from last year, and Martin trousers, again from last year. These are the Agnes boots. I want to layer a Samuel vest, either this one that is new in dark taupe. This one is size medium. I wanted to compare with size medium from last year, and you see that size medium from last year was bigger. This season size medium is smaller. Take that into consideration. Vanilla would also look really beautiful because the shirt has these ivory embroideries, and this will look great. But let me try the dark taupe. Of course it's smaller than last year, but it is not tight. It is a very supple and kind of cloudy fabric, knit, and so very, very soft. Size medium, of course, it's shorter. It is not as nice to wear with a belt as other sizes, but to wear it like that, it's just perfect. Size medium is also a nice size on me. So size medium, size large. So this is size large, and this is size extra, extra large. A small difference between sizes, as you are seeing. These trousers have a blend of different kind of browns, so they have a warmer brown, but they also have a darker, cooler brown. That goes really well with the dark taupe in the Samuel vest. For a mild autumn day, this will be the perfect outfit to run some errands. Casual, comfortable and chic and elegant at the same time. These were all my new pieces from Sézane, and the way also I styled them. I hope this video could be helpful, could help you decide whether you like these pieces or not, and also help you to have a better perception of each item. Because as I told in the beginning of the video, the site pictures doesn't always translate to how those pieces are going to be in reality. Hopefully some good outfit inspiration, some good outfits for you to kind of recreate. I would love to know your favorite item. Let me know in the description box below if you already have some of these items. As usual, everything will be linked in the description box below. Not only Sézane pieces, but also other items that I styled together with the pieces. And that is all for today, and I'll see you next Friday for another Fashion Friday. Bye bye! Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up